Let us now discuss about wildcard pattern matching. We are given a text string. So this is a text string and this is a pattern. The program must find whether the text matches the pattern or not. What is a question mark? Question mark means it can match exactly one character. Asterisk means, that is star means, it can match any number of characters, that is 0 to many. Until unless any other question mark or other things come up. So the first character in the pattern is question mark, which means it is matching A. So A is done. It can match only one character. So we move on to the next one in the pattern. It is B. If B is coming in the pattern, then exactly in that position B should be there. Yes, B is there. Next again question mark, any character can be there, so it matches with B. Next it is C, so C is matching. Then comes question mark, it matches with D. Then next comes D, it matches with D. After that question mark, so it matches with E. Now an asterisk comes. So it can match any number of characters. So F is matched, F is matched. Now we have reached the end of the text. So we see that we have reached the end of the pattern also. Okay. So the text is valid and adhering to the pattern. What will happen if there are asterisks in between? The scenario will become complex. So in that case, it will be difficult for us to backtrack, come back and do some matching. So for that, we will follow dynamic programming approach to check whether it has matched till now. And if yes, then we will continue. Because of the asterisk, it can match previous characters also and it can match the forthcoming characters also. This asterisk causes the problem when we are doing it otherwise. So let us discuss the approach. So we are having the pattern string as columns and the text string as row values. So I have written it over here. I am not starting from 0, 0, only from index 1. So that is the reason column also from index 1 I have written everything. That is the pattern string characters and row wise the text string characters are written. As in any dynamic programming, initially we have to fill certain values. So we are going to fill this 0, 0 with 1. Because whenever a question mark or a character comes, only if till the previous it matches, then it will be considered true. So when 1, 1 comes, that is this particular position, the previous matching will denote 0, 0, that is diagonally top left. So for the first character, because I am going to build upon the previous state, I will initialize it as a 1. Because anyway, initially you are assuming everything is going to match and only if it does not match, we are going to make it false, right? So 0, 0, no characters are there. So we initialize true initially. When asterisk comes, right, it can match any previous character that has not matched also and it can match forthcoming characters also because it means 0 to many, including the empty sequence. So for that we need to initialize the values. What happens if the first character itself in the pattern is asterisk? Then it can match 0 to many. Okay. So what you should do is, when the text string has not started at all, that is at the 0th row, if the first character in the pattern is an asterisk, only then you are going to mark this also as 1, which means match any forthcoming also, even if it is not adhering to any other character, right? Because it can continuously match all the characters till another valid sequence is obtained. So we will look at an example for that after this example. The first character in the pattern is not asterisk, so we mark it with the 0. So all the remaining 0th row values, they are marked 0 or false. So here all the other 0th column values are also marked false. We are bothered only about these two cell values so that we can build on the state already maintained. Here it is question mark. So if it is question mark, any character can be there. So don't even bother to check equality. Just check if the previous match has been done. It is 1. So this is also 1. Now you come here. In the pattern it is B. Then it must be B here. Okay. But it is A. So have a 0 here. Then here it is question mark. Right. So any character can be there. So look at the previous top left. It is 0. So here it is not matching. So here also it will not match. Because if it has not matched previously, you are not going to bother about that. It is false only. Because even if one particular location it is not matching, the entire string is invalid. Now you come to C. C and A not matching. Okay. So just place 0. So question mark. Any character can be there. But previous is not matching. So 0. Now D. D and A not matching, 0. Question mark, any character can be there, but previous thing, that is the top left position is 0. So have a 0 here. Now asterisk comes. So when asterisk comes, it can match any character. So just look at the previous row, whether it has matched. Okay. So the previous row is to match till the previous thing, that is the earlier characters. It is 0. Can you match any forthcoming? So that is also 0. So this will be 0 here. Okay. Now you are coming to the character B in the text string and you match it with question mark. So now question mark can match any character, right? But the previous matching has not happened. Here it is 0. So it will be 0 only. The top left column value you have to see. This implies the first character question mark in the pattern string cannot be mapped with B. That's all. Because it is already mapped with A. If you can see, this is 1. So it is 0 here. Now we are matching BB. Are they equal? Yes. And is the previous match there? Yes, it is 1. So this is matching. Now question mark and B, they are matching, valid, but the previous match is not there. So it is 0. Now C and B not matching and the previous is also 0. Question mark, it can match with B but the previous match is 0. D and B not matching. Question mark and B matching but the previous match is 0. Asterisk, you see the same column top row or the same row left column. Any one of these things must be 1. Both are 0. So this is also 0. Now let us come here. B and question mark. Okay. It can match but the previous match is 0. So this is 0. Now B and B, they are matching but the previous match is 0. So it is 0. Now question mark and B, it is matching and the previous match is there. So it is 1. Now C and B, 0. Question mark and B matching but the previous match is 0. So 0. D and B not matching, 0. Question mark and B matching but the previous match is 0. So 0. Asterisk, right? So you look at the left and the top, both are zeros. Okay. So this is also 0. Now you come to C and question mark. It can match but the previous match is 0. So it is 0. B and C not matching. Question mark and C, it can match but the previous match is 0. Now C and C matching and the previous match is also there. So it is 1. Now question mark and C, it is matching but the previous match is 0. So 0. D and C not matching. Question mark and C can match but the previous match is 0. So it is 0. Asterisk, left and top it is 0. So 0. Now we come to D. So D and question mark can match but the previous match is 0. So 0. B and D not matching. Question mark and D it can match but the previous match is 0. So 0. C and D not matching. Question mark and D it can match and the previous match is also 1. So here we have a 1 here. D and D, yes it can match but the previous match is 0. So 0. Question mark and D, it matches but the previous match is 0. So 0. Asterisk, left and top 0. Any one of them must be 1 for it to be 1. Okay. Now you come here. D and question mark, it matches but the previous match is 0. So 0. B and D not matching 0. Question mark and D matches but the previous match is 0. So 0. C and D not matching. Question mark and D it can match but the previous is 0. So 0. D and D, yes, it matches and you can put 1 because the previous match is also 1. So we have a 1 here. Question mark and D, it can match but the previous match is 0. So 0. Now asterisk, left and top are 0. So 0. Now we come to E, right? E and question mark, can it match but the previous match is 0. So 0. B and D not matching. Question mark and D, it can match but the previous match is 0. So 0. C and D not matching 0. Question mark and D, it can match but the previous match is 0. So 0. D and E not matching 0. Question mark and E it can match but the previous match is 1. So we can have a 1 here also. Okay. Asterisk and E. Now because asterisk can come, here we have a 1 here. So already we discussed either to the left or top we should have a 1 because the forthcoming is denoted here and the earlier match is denoted here. Okay. So this asterisk can map to the forthcoming and so we mark a 1 here. Now we come to F. F and question mark it matches but the previous match is 0. So it is 0. Now coming here, B and F not matching. So 0. Question mark and F it can match but the previous match is 0. So 0. C and F 0. Question mark and F matching but the previous match is 0. So 0. D and F not matching. Question mark and F it matches but the previous match is 0. So 0. Now coming to asterisk. So here the forthcoming is not matching but the before earlier string it can match. Okay. It can continue the matching sequence. So that is what it means. Because the top is 1, here also we can have 1. So now the question mark and F it can match but the previous match is 0. So 0. B and F 0. Question mark and F it can match but the previous match is 0. So 0. C and F 0 not matching. Question mark and F it can match but the previous match is 0. So 0. D and F not matching. Question mark and F it can match but the previous match is 0. So 0. Now asterisk and F you can match any character. So just check left and top. Top is 1. So we have a 1 here. So what have we achieved? For the text and the pattern to match. Okay. Ultimately in the bottom right column we need to get a 1. Which means it has matched. Okay. All along. So now we have a 1 here. So the program can print the output that it is matching. So this is the basic concept behind this matching. So if you see the matching string comes like this or like this. Okay. But in both ways. So this is what we have achieved by using this dynamic programming approach. So let us look at one more example. So now consider this example. First 0 0 will be true, which is 1. Now the first character is asterisk in the pattern text. So if it is asterisk, you have to make this 0 1 to true because it can match any forthcoming, that is characters that are coming after that also. So we'll make it 1. So the remaining values in the 0th row will be 0. So 0 0. Similarly, in the first column, that is the 0th column, also you make it 0. So now we start with asterisk and A. So asterisk can match any character. So you check left or top is 1. It is 1. So have 1. Now A and B 0. Question mark and A. It can match but the previous is 0. So 0. Question mark and A. It can match but previous 0. So 0. B and A 0. Question mark. It can match but the previous is 0. 0. D and A. No. 0. Asterisk. It can match any character but top or left should be 1. It is not there. So it is 0. Now for this asterisk, top or left, it is 0. So 0. Asterisk, top and left both are 0. So 0. Now you come to B asterisk. It can match any character. So top or left must be 1. Here top is 1. So it is 1. So now B and B, right? It is matching and the top left must be 1. So it is 1 here. Now question mark. Okay. It can match with that but previous is 0. So 0. Question mark can match but the previous is 0. B and B, it can match but the previous is 0. So this is also 0. Question mark, it can match but previous is 0. D, not matching. Asterisk, both top and left are 0. Similarly for all the asterisk it is 0. Now coming to B and asterisk, it can match and the top is 1. So it is 1. BB, matching and the previous also matches. So it is 1. Question mark, it can match and the previous is also 1. Now question mark, okay, and the previous is 0. So it is 0. Now BB, matching but the previous is 0. Question mark, it can match but the previous is 0. So it is 0. D, no match. Asterisk, it can match but top and left both are zeros. So same for all the asterisks. Now B asterisk, yes it can match and the top is 1. Yes. Now B, can it match? Yes, and the previous is 1. Question mark, it can match and the previous is 1. Question mark, it can match and the previous is 1. Now it is BB, it can match but the previous is 0. So 0. Question mark, it can match but the previous is 0. D, not matching. D and B, they don't match. So it is 0. Asterisk, it can match but top and left are 0. So 0, 0. Same thing. So now B asterisk, it can match and the top is 1. So it is 1. Now B and B, it can match and the top left is 1. That is the previous is 1. So it is 1. Question mark, it can match and the previous is 1. Question mark, it can match and the previous is 1. B, it matches and the previous is 1. So this is 1. Question mark, it can match but the previous is 0. So it is 0. D and B don't match. So asterisk, top left both are zeros. So it's same case. Now you are coming to B asterisk, it can match and the top is matching. So 1. Now BB, it matches and the previous is also 1. Question mark, it can match and the previous is 1. Question mark, it can match and the previous is 1. BB, yes it matches and the previous is 1. Question mark, it can match and the previous is 1. So we have 1 here. D and B, they don't match. So asterisk, it is 0, 0, 0 because top and left are zeros for all these 3 asterisks. Now coming to this B and asterisk, it can match and the top is match 1. Now BB, it matches and the previous is also 1. Question mark, it can match and this is also 1. Question mark, this can match and the previous is 1. Now BB, it matches and the previous is 1. Now question mark, it can match and the previous is 1. Now coming to D, it is not matching 0. So this asterisk can't match anything, right? Now coming to B and asterisk, yes, asterisk can match anything and the top is 1. So it is 1. Now B and B, yes it matches and the previous is 1. Question mark, it can match and the previous is 1. Question mark, it can match and the previous is 1. B and B, it matches and the previous is 1, right? Now question mark, it can match and the previous is 1. Now coming to D, it is 0. So automatically this will be zeros, okay? Now B and asterisk, yes it can match and top is 1. And then it is B. B and B match and the previous is 1. And question mark, yes it is 1. Similarly here it is 1. B and B can match and the previous is 1. Question mark, yes it can match and the previous is 1. D and B, can it match? No, it is 0. So similarly all the asterisks will be 0. Now coming to C, asterisk, yes it can match and the top is 1. So it is 1 here. B and C, no it cannot match. Question mark, can it match and the previous is 1? Yes. Question mark, it can match and the previous is 1. And B and C, they don't match, 0. Question mark, can it match C? Yes, and the previous is 1. So it is 1 here. D, no it doesn't match, 0. So here also the asterisk, okay, top left everything is 0. So 0, 0, 0. Now coming to C asterisk, it can match and the top is 1. And B, it doesn't match, 0. Question mark, can it match? Yes, it can match but the previous is 0. Question mark, can it match and the previous is 1. So 1 here. And then we have B, can it match? No, 0. Question mark, it can match and the previous is 0. So we have a 0 here. Now D, can it match? No. So we have a 0 over here. Asterisk 0, 0, 0. Now coming to B. Can it match with the asterisk? Yes, and the top is 1. Can B match B? Yes, and the previous is 1. So it is 1 over here because B and B matches and the previous top left is also 1. Question mark, can it match but the previous is 0. Question mark, can it match? Yes, but the previous is 0. So B, it matches and the previous is also 1. So it is 1 here. Question mark, can it match? Yes, but the previous is 0. So D and B, they don't match, 0. So 0, 0, 0. Now coming to H. H, can it match? Yes, and the previous is 1. B, can it match? No, 0. Question mark, can it match? And the previous is 1. Question mark, can it match? But the previous is 0. B, H, it is 0. They don't match. Question mark, can it match? Yes. And the previous is also 1. So 1 here. D, can it match? No, 0. So similarly, all these are 0. Now coming to D, can it match? Yes, and the top is 1, so it is 1. B and D, it is 0. So question mark, can it match? Yes, but the previous is 0. Question mark, can it match? Yes, and the previous is 1. So we have a 1 here. B and D, they don't match, it is 0. Question mark, can it match? Yes, but the previous is 0. So now coming to D, it matches and the previous is 1. So it is 1 here. Asterisk, can it match? Yes, and the top left, anyone is 1. Yes, left is 1. So it can match. Now asterisk, can it match? Yes, left is 1. Can it match? Yes, left is 1. Yeah, so we get a 1 here. So our aim is, if we get a 1 here in the bottom right, this match is perfectly valid. So now let us verify that. So let us verify this manually. So we have B and D separated by 1 character. So that is coming here. So question mark will be there for H and D, BHD. Okay. So the previous 2 C's will be for question mark and question mark. And whatever was there, like this B will match with this B. And whatever was there before will be mapped by the asterisk. So this is a valid one. I'll come again. This asterisk will represent A, B, 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 7 B's. Okay. So 7 B's are done. The 8th B will match with this B. Then the 2 C's will match with the question mark. Okay. Then again this B will match with this B. So for this question mark, H will match. And for the D, this D will match. And after that we are having asterisk only, which means any or nothing. Okay, it can match empty also. So this is the match we need. Hence the program must print the string is matching. If a match is not there, we will get a 0 in this position. So if 0 is there, the program must print not matching. So based on our discussion, please solve the program.